Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Ram 1500. It's a Tradesman. That's why you can see the black bumpers. We did add the new wheels and then put a leveling kit to give it a little better stance. This is a classic, so still old body style. Interior's all good shape as far as seats go. 133, 904, just your standard equipment. You know, you can see a few little scuffs on the interiors. Does have the mat, that's part of the Tradesman deal, but just where they threw stuff. Back seats in good shape. They probably set stuff here, so you got some marks here. Spray in bed liner. You'll see a few lighter, scratches here and there just from being a 130,000 mile truck, but pretty good shape. No major big dents or anything. There's a couple little chips. Said there's not a ton of scratches on it, but there's a few you'll see, like right there's one right there. So very nice truck. It does come with our 12-month 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty, so not a lot of people do that on a 130,000 mile truck, but we stand behind our stuff. So drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, good coverage. You can't see them here, but there's probably 6, 8, 10 really light hail nets on the hood, so I'm sure there's probably a few on the roof too. So, but overall, pretty nice truck for 130,000 miles, and comes with warranty. 605-692-7010.